Hello everyone. Today we discuss some problem related to mean value theorem, which is basically important for BTech and PhD courses. So let's start some important problem related to mean value theorem. As we all know what is mean value theorem, so just start with these two problems. First one, show that tan x by x strictly greater than x by sin x when 0 less than x less than pi by 2. And second one, that is show that x less than sin inverse x less than x by root over 1 minus x square for 0 less than x less than 1. Now start with the first one, that is tan x by x greater than x by sin x when 0 less than x less than pi by 2. To prove this, we need to prove that tan x into sin x greater than x square as 0 less than x less than pi by 2. For this, we first prove that tan x greater than x for all x belongs to 0 pi by 2. So let's start with this initial proof. So for this, Maclaurin series of Lagrange's form of remainder after first term, that is gx equal to g0 plus x g dash theta x for some theta in between 0 and 1, considering gx equal to tan x. So after that, here gx equal to tan x and g dash theta x equal to sec square theta x. So tan x equal to x sec square theta x, where 0 less than x less than 1. Now for that 0 less than theta less than 1 and x be positive number between 0 and pi by 2. So 0 less than theta x less than x. That implies 1 less than sec theta x, as we all know that in this interval 0 and pi by 2, sec is increasing function. So x less than x sec square theta x, that implies x less than tan x for all x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, using the equation 3 as tan x equal to x sec square theta x. So hence the statement 2 proved. Next, to prove the original inequality, we need to prove by using gm greater equal to hm in between sin x and tan x. So we get root over sin x into tan x greater equal to 2 by 1 by sin x plus 1 by tan x, that is harmonic mean of sin x and tan x. So geometric mean always greater equal to harmonic mean, we all know that. So using this, we get that just after calculating some calculation of 2 by 1 by sin x plus 1 by tan x, we get that this value equals to 2 tan x by 2. And previously we proved that tan x strictly greater than x using statement 2. We previously proved this. So using this, we get that value, that is this harmonic mean strictly greater than x. So we get that root over sin x into tan x strictly greater than x, and after squaring both sides we get sin x into tan x strictly greater than x square. So that implies tan x by x strictly greater than x by sin x. Hence the original inequality proved. This is another important problem, that is show that x less than sin inverse x less than x by root over 1 minus x square for 0 less than x less than 1. For this, we consider fx equal to sin inverse x, and next, using Maclaurin series with Lagrange's form of remainder after first term, we get fx equal to f0 plus x f dash theta x, where 0 less than theta less than 1 and x belongs to 0, 1. Here fx equal to sin inverse x, so we get fx that is sin inverse x equal to x by root over 1 minus theta square x square for some theta in between 0, 1 and x belongs to interval 0, 1. Next, for that theta in between 0 and 1, that implies 0 less than theta x less than x for x belongs to 0, 1. That implies 1 minus x square less than 1 minus theta square x square less than 1, where 0 less than theta less than 1 and x belongs to 0, 1. After some calculation, we get x less than x by root over 1 minus theta square x square less than x by root over 1 minus x square, where 0 less than theta less than 1 and x belongs to 0, 1. So that implies x less than sin inverse x less than x by root over 1 minus x square using the equation number 1 for x belongs to 0, 1 open interval. Here's the proof. Thank you.